It's not good at all. It needs a fair bit of work. Ah! Oh. Ah! Yes! Yes! Come on! Evening all, welcome back to part 2 of my MOT prep mini series. In part 1, last time out, I replaced the headlamp because there was an issue going on there. Today, I'm going to replace the anti-roll bar drop links. So before we jump into it, remember to subscribe to my channel. You can do so below. Click on the bell icon so you get notified and drop a like, leave a comment. You know the drill. I'll see you at the end. Ready? That's the welding that needs doing. I'm paying that away. That's a big, too big a job for me. There, and the other side, and that's the worst one. It's not good at all. It needs a fair bit of work, but it's booked in, so. The first thing, they do appear to be identical, and each side is identical. There's no difference in part number between the two. So it doesn't matter which one goes where, and I don't think it matters which way up they go either. Okay, so let's start with a healthy dose of WD-40. I'm going to use a cracker bar. That moved sufficiently. Ah, fucking hell. Ah. Ah, my finger! Oh, I just slammed my finger on the fuel tank. Well, I cracked it. At least we know that. Doesn't look like it's doing anything. Looks like the whole thing's spinning. No, that's not doing anything. What a ball ache. I've figured it out. It's one of these stupid things. There's an Allen bolt, Allen key you put in the end, and then you use a spanner. So I've cracked it, but I need an Allen key now. So if I get the spanner in. Here we go, I think it's coming. Rusty old vehicles. Okay, that's one half of one of them off. Okay, so my plan is I'm going to try and get this one off in situ, but if I can't, I'm going to do the same to the other side, which should allow me to rotate the anti-roll bar around. You can't even get the bloody spanner in there. No, I'm going to have to go to the other side. Tighten it off first. That worked. And this time, in fact, let's get, and then you can watch me twat myself in the face. Oh. Okay. Another one loose. Let's see how this affects the anti-roll bar. I don't know if I'm bending it or no, it is rotating. Okay, I've got enough access for this one for sure. Over here, I don't know. It needs to come a bit further. So here is the bolt and the tailpipe's in the way, so I think I can access it by lifting that up with my knee. Just lifting the tailpipe like that. So let's see if we can tighten it first. Yeah. And now oh god, I'm gonna get a cramp in my hamstring. I think it's coming. if I was able to snap my anti-roll bar, then it would have failed the MOT, right? So I've got nothing to worry about there. I've had an idea. I'm going to try and clamp this Allen key to the chassis. Oh! Has it done it? Did I kind of... No, I didn't. Stop that. It is now. Yes! Yes! Come on! I think I've got it. I want to try and show you what I've done in case you couldn't see it before. So basically I've got the Allen key in there, pulled against the chassis. It was clamped, but it's not anymore. My finger hurts badly, but I've got to get this off. Almost there now. Okay, I got one of them off. So, last one, and it's this one here. With this rotated down, this should be easy. And it's moving more freely than the other one. Come on. Right, now I've got to loosen it off. Rest my head. Oh, yes. Alright, that'll do. Now we need the Allen key. Might be able to do the same thing again here, but not use the clamp because I don't think that's necessary. Get the old one out of the way, and then here we go. They're off. They're both off. Grab one of my new ones. Pop it in here. Grab our new nut. Pop it on. This one. Oh, they're different size Allen key, yeah. Right. The even flimsier Allen key, that's good. Right. Let's get this. We want to be tightening it, so this way. Oh, this might be really easy. Yes, meant you torque it to 100 Newton meters, which is just really tight, I guess. That'll do. That's one in. Let's try and get the Allen key out. There we go. Do the other side. Then we'll raise the anti-roll bar back up and put the bottom ones back in. Now, they went in from the same side, didn't they? Yeah. So we need the other new one, which is here. Lift up the tailpipe with the knee. Slide that in. We need the lock nut. That on as far as it will go on its own. We need this way around. Tightening. Good. Allen key in like this. Get it in there. Oh, this clamp can come off before I forget. I think if I get underneath it from this side, it might be a bit easier. Here we go. Yep. Okay, now we've got to get the anti-roll bar. Right. Oh God, my neck can't take much more of this. Okay, just get it done here as well. Yeah, it's tight. We're done. that, I wouldn't say it was fun, but it is done. So all that's left now to pass the MOT is the welding, which I'm paying away. So I'll drop that down on Monday the 16th, and then my retest is on Monday the 17th of December. And at that point, I'll have a clean bill of health. Well, there'll be some advisories that I need to sort through, but the focus now is to get the van through its MOT. So, I hope you learned something from that video. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and like the video below, and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified every time I upload. I'll see you in the next one.